Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout, your go-to spot for all things two-wheeled. Today we're checking out the 2025 Yamaha MT-125, a street fighter that's small in engine size but big on style, performance, and attitude. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first bike or someone who just wants a lightweight, agile machine for city rides, the MT-125 is a serious contender in the 125cc segment. Let's start with the design, because Yamaha really nailed it this year. The 2025 MT-125 looks like a mini MT-07 or even an MT-09, which is a good thing. It carries the same aggressive styling, a sharp headlight setup, muscular fuel tank, wide handlebars, and a stubby tail section. The bifunctional LED projector headlight with LED DRLs gives it a futuristic look, and from a distance, you'd be forgiven for thinking it's a much bigger bike. What makes the MT-125 really stand out is the build quality. Yamaha didn't cut corners here. The frame is the same Delta Box chassis design you get on their bigger models, which means the bike feels stable and solid even when pushing through corners. Fit and finish are top-notch, and everything from the switchgear to the paint job looks and feels premium. Under the tank, the MT-125 is powered by a 124.7C liquid-cooled single-cylinder 4-valve engine. It puts out around 14.8 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 11.5 Nm of torque at 8,000 RPM, which is right at the legal A1 license limit in Europe. But don't let the numbers fool you. This bike is quick for a 125, thanks in part to its low weight and the use of variable valve actuation, VVA technology. The VVA system is a key selling point. It gives the MT-125 strong low-end torque for city riding, but also allows the bike to breathe better at higher revs, making it surprisingly fun on open roads. The engine is paired to a 6-speed gearbox that shifts smoothly, and there's also a slipper clutch, which reduces rear-wheel hop during aggressive downshifts and makes riding easier for beginners. Handling is where this bike really shines. It's light, nimble, and super responsive. With a weight of just around 140 kilos wet, it's perfect for navigating through tight city traffic, weaving between cars, or flicking through twisties on the weekend. The 41mm USD front forks and rear monoshock offer a sporty yet comfortable ride. You get good feedback from the suspension, and the chassis encourages confident cornering. The braking setup includes a 292mm disc at the front and a 220mm disc at the rear, both with single-channel ABS. Braking performance is sharp and predictable, which again makes this a great bike for newer riders. The Michelin Pilot Street tires provide decent grip in both dry and wet conditions, though some might want to upgrade for more aggressive riding. The digital LCD display is simple but informative. It shows speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, average fuel economy, and even a VVA indicator. It doesn't have Bluetooth or fancy TFT graphics like some higher-end bikes, but it's clear and functional, which is what matters most when you're on the move. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Yamaha MT-125 is priced at around $5,200 in the UK. And if it launches in other markets like India or Southeast Asia, we can expect a price in the range of R1.45 to R1.60 lakh ex-showroom. That puts it in direct competition with bikes like the KTM Duke 125 and the Aprilia Tuono 125. And while the Yamaha may not have the flashiest electronics, it delivers where it counts: performance, build, and daily usability. In terms of fuel economy, you can expect around 45 to 50 km/h depending on how you ride. That makes it not just sporty, but also practical for daily commuting. The 2025 Yamaha MT-125 is an excellent entry point into the world of performance naked bikes. It's aggressive, lightweight, reliable, and surprisingly quick for its class. Whether you're a new rider or just want something fun and agile for the city, the MT-125 delivers serious value with that signature Yamaha quality. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Scout. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more updates on the latest bikes, from entry-level commuters to high-performance machines, Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride. See you next time.